Hi guys, it's MarinaMeowCat and I'm drinking some orange peach mango juice in a Hello Kitty cup. And we're back here to color in this board. If you watched my last video, it's a coloring and activity video. And now we are going to color the board because we didn't. But actually it was a hump, 2 bumps there, so I made that one. Now, but first, of course, we're going to color Fluttershy first. Need to find a place to put my juice first. And now I can color Fluttershy. But first I'm going to color Homie, just like I colored Birdie's first. But I didn't need to color Birdie's skin. So that is very nice. But I had to color Fluttershy's skin because of what color it really is. So we're going to use this pink for Fluttershy's mane. The lily is on if you don't see it very well. Make sure we don't color her teeth. No, we didn't color her teeth. It's a good thing that we didn't color Fluttershy's teeth. We already doesn't have her mouth open, but Fluttershy does. Okay, we made some small mistakes. So we need to get any pencil, because every pencil comes with an eraser. And I'm gonna use the same eraser as I did for Lady and the Diamond. There was hair mistakes. The pencil fell. The crack of the couch. It fell out. Now we're gonna color a little bit more, and now we are gonna color Fluttershy's tail. We did make a mistake on the tip, but it's not on Fluttershy, so it's okay. Now we are gonna search for the yellow. Here's our yellow. And now we are gonna go back. And camera is now going to be on Fluttershy again. And we're going to color Fluttershy now. Vampire bats will give you a fight. Eating apples both day and night. Wait for me, maybe sweet. And when we eat every apple on your apple tree. We don't care about nada, noses, no nothing. We bring about auto destruction. Now wait just a minute, there's another side to this. And if I did not offend them, then I would be remiss. These bats are mamas and papas too. Be careful, young just like we ponies. Oh, give me a fight, you being too. These creatures have a one-time mind. The altar is not where rest or what. But the way will think what us may want. No, we don't. And that is just a fact. These bad boys simply don't know how to act. It's where I had to disagree. But loyal to a family. Spreading seeds for fun. If you see one come, you better run and hide. We're big and ugly and mean nesting where you work at the state. My trees are winning. We'll help your trees will grow stronger, faster. But you're my life, total disaster. Now, I for one don't have a doubt. These moments must be stopped by out. I said that way, got to go. These bats I had to hit the wall. It comes down to just one simple fact. We cross the line, it's time that we stop the bats, make them go and now come back. Stop the bats, make them go and now come back. Stop the bats, make them go and now come back. You see, it comes down to just one simple fact. We cross the line, it's time that we attack. Vampire bats will give you a fight, eating apples both day and night. Whereas for a minute, maybe when we eat every apple in the apple tree. We don't care about nada, no zilch, no nothing. We bring about auto destruction. Now wait just a minute, there's no sign to this. And if I did not offend them, when I would be remissed. These bats are mamas and papas too. Look careful, the young just like we ponies do. Oh, give me a fight, you've been too many. These creatures have a one-track mind. The auto is not where we're still on, but the way we think what others might want. No, we don't, and that is just a fact. These bats, I simply don't know how to act. It's where I have to disagree. We're royalty, we're family, spreading seeds both far and wide. If you see one come, you better run and hide. We're big and ugly and mean nasty. Will you look at the state? My trees are in. We'll help your trees. So go stronger, faster. I turn my life into a disaster. Now I for one don't have a doubt. These bombers must be stopped by out. I said that way, got to go. These bats I had to hit the wall. It comes down to just one simple fact. We crossed the line, it's time that we stop the bats, make them go and not come back. Stop the bats, make them go and not come back. Stop the bats, make them go and not come back. You see, comes down to just one simple fact. We cross the line, it's time that we attack. Vampire bats will give you a fight, eating apples both day and night. Rest for a minute, maybe when we eat every apple in the apple tree. They don't care about nada, no shit, no nothing. Bring about auto destruction. Now wait just a minute, there's another sign to this. And if I did not defend them, when I would be remiss. These bats are mamas and papas too. Look careful, young just like we ponies do. Oh, give me a fight, you being too. These creatures have a one-track mind. The auto is not where we're still on, but the way we think what us might want. No, we don't, and that is just a fact. These bats simply don't know how to act. It's where I have to disagree. We're royalty, we're family, spreading seeds both far and wide. If you see one come, you better run and hide. We're big and ugly and mean as tin. Will you look at the state? My trees are in. We'll help your trees. We'll go stronger, faster. Let's turn my life total disaster. Now I for one don't have a doubt. These moments must be stopped by out. I said that way. Got to go. These bats I had to hit the road. It comes down to just one simple fact. We crossed the line, it's time that we stop the bats, make them go and not come back. Stop the bats, make them go and not come back. Stop the bats, make them go and not come back. You see, comes down to just one simple fact. We crossed the line, it's time that we attack. Vampire bats will give you a fight, eating apples both day and night. Rest for a minute, maybe tree, and when we eat every apple in the apple tree. They don't care about nada, no zits, no nothing. They bring about auto destruction. Now wait just a minute, there's no sign to this. And if I did not defend them, then I would be remiss. These bats are mamas and papas too. Look careful, we're youngest like we ponies do. Oh, give me a fight, you bing too. These creatures have a one-track mind. The altar is not where we're still on. But do we think what us may want? No, we don't. And that is just a fact. These bats they simply don't know how to act. It's where I had to disagree with royalty, with family, spreading seeds both fine. If you see one come, you better run and hide. We're big and ugly and mean as tin. Will you work at the state? My trees are in. We'll help your trees. We'll go stronger, faster. We'll charm our life in total disaster. Now I for one don't have a doubt. These moments must be stopped by out. Instead that way got to go. These bats were to hit the road. It comes down to just one simple fact. We crossed the line, it's time that we stop the bats, make them go and not come back. Stop the bats, make them go and not come back. Stop the bats, make them go and not come back. You see, comes down to just one simple fact. We crossed the line, it's time that we attack. And if you liked my new pony video, means song for my new pony videos, I'll say bye.